Do you know what are the 5 questions to ask yourself before buying your Hollywood home? To find out, watch this video as we're starting right now. Before we begin, if this is your first time to this channel, welcome. I'm Kate Smith, a Hollywood real estate agent with Kate Smith Group at eXp Realty. Feel free to look around and check out our videos and many resources we put together for you. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Deciding whether you're ready to purchase your first home is one of the biggest decisions you'll make in life. Buying is huge, not to mention expensive commitment, and isn't a decision you should take lightly. Before you make the leap to home ownership, it's imperative you know where you stand, what do you want, and what's realistic for you, and your financial situation. Make sure to watch this video to the end, as I will give you access to a revolutionary real estate app which will change the way you search for homes. Here are 5 questions to ask yourself before buying your Hollywood home. Number 1. How much can I really afford? One of the biggest mistakes first-time home buyers make is stretching their budget and buying a house that they can't afford. Before you start looking for your dream home, you should sit down, write out a budget, and figure out exactly how much you're comfortable paying per month. Keep in mind that owning a home is more than just a mortgage payment. In addition to your mortgage, you need to cover some home-related expenses like home insurance, mortgage insurance, property taxes, in some cases HOA dues. Ideally, your total home costs should not exceed 35% of your current income. So, if your household makes, let's say, $10,000 per month, your total home cost shouldn't exceed $3,500. Number 2, what kind of a shape my finances are in? It's imperative that you take stock of your financial situation before making any decisions. The state of your finances plays a huge role in how much mortgage the lenders will approve you for. And before they approve your loan, the banks will dig deep to make sure that you're a qualified applicant. Your financial situation will also affect the interest rate on your loan, which can either save or cost you hundreds of dollars per month. When deciding whether to approve your mortgage, the banks will look at the following: your credit history, including your credit score, delinquent payments, and overall balances; your debt, including credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and auto loans; your income, your employment history, including your salary history and your length of employment; your savings and the amount available for down payment; your tax returns. Essentially, your lender is going to review your financial history to determine whether they believe that you will pay back your loan, and if they feel you're a risky candidate, they will either approve the loan with a higher interest rate or deny it altogether. Before you apply for a mortgage, it's important to get your finances in the best shape possible. Review your credit report and ask for any inaccuracies to be removed. Work on paying down your debt and padding your savings account. The better your financial situation, the better deal you'll get on your mortgage. Number 3. What are my must-haves, my nice-to-haves, and my can't-haves? Before you buy a property, it's important to iron out the details of exactly what you're looking for. You should break down the qualities of your future home into 3 lists: must-haves, nice-to-have, can't have. Your must-haves list includes the qualities you absolutely need in a home in order to move forward with the purchase. A must-have might be a home in a certain neighborhood suited to your desired lifestyle. Enough bedrooms to accommodate your family, or a backyard where your kids and dogs can play. Your nice to have are things you'd ideally like to have in a home, but aren't deal breakers if they're missing. Nice to have a chef's kitchen, a two-car garage, or a utility room. Your can't haves are the qualities you absolutely do not want in a property. These are the deal breakers that will keep you from purchasing a home. Can't haves might include a property that borders or fronts a busy street, a fixer-upper that needs a lot of work, or a multi-level property. Once you have these three lists, it will be easier for you and your real estate agent to identify and select potential properties and narrow down the list of homes to view. 4. Do I know where I want to live? When it comes to real estate, one of the most important things is location. We have a variety of neighborhoods in Hollywood, and although bearing some similarities, each one is different from the other. Some are by the beach, others are by golf courses or marinas. Third are by parks or the intracoastal. Then there are those that are close to desired school. Some are in lower price ranges, others are in higher price ranges. And before you purchase property, it's important to iron out exactly what you're looking for in a location. Do you want to live in downtown or by the beach? Do you want to live in an older residential neighborhood or in a gated community? Is it more important to be close to schools or close to shops, restaurants, and entertainment? Once you know everything you're looking for in a location, your real estate agent can suggest neighborhoods that match your requirements based on those criteria. 5. When do I want to move? When you move is also an important factor to take into consideration. There is no best time of the year to move, but different times of the year have different advantages. They all depend on the property location and what type of property you are considering. Buying a home is a very important decision in order to make sure that your new home is best fit for you. Thanks for joining me today. As promised, you'll find the download link to our free real estate app in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this video and then this one next. And hit the like button, comment, and share the love. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Kate Smith, Hollywood, Florida.